how's it going?
I'm having this shoulder pain. Can you help me?
Wow.
I'm sitting in front of the computer all day, and I get tense up.
Oh, really? And what happened?
Well, I put some cream on it, nothing happened.
Yeah.
It's still worse, and I put some medication, and then it makes her just dizzy. And yeah, can you help me?
Sure. You know what? I've been in alternative medicine field for 37 years, and I used to see people like this in my clinic all the time. So let me give you two things that can help, okay? Number one, always, always, always put some ice on it, right? You want to put some ice on it for a good 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then take it off, put it back on, right? That's going to help a lot. That's number one. But number two is something called hydrotherapy. Have you ever heard about hydrotherapy?
No, I haven't.
Hydrotherapy has been around for centuries. It's something that's safe, it's effective, it's not going to hurt you. So all you have to do is put on hot water in the shower. So you let the shower run on there, hot, hot, hot as you can take it for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. And then the next second, you're going to turn that off and put the cold on for 1 minute right here in that area. Back and forth, back and forth. The hot makes the blood flow come up. The cold makes it go down. Circulation, inflammation gone in 30 minutes. Okay. Would you do that?
I would like.
Yes, go
Thank you
try
so
that.
much.
Yeah, and absolutely no side effects, completely safe and easy to do, and gets rid of that pain. 30 minutes.
Oh, that would be great. That would be great. Thank
All
you so
right,
much.
we're going to do it. You try it too at home.